Welcome back to the kitchen. Plant-based Gabriel here, and it is the morning, and I am about to make a super simple 10-second chocolate smoothie. Now, what we're going to need for this recipe are 2.5 bananas, 2 tablespoons of an unsweetened cocoa powder, roughly around 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk. Now, I'm using my walnut milk, which you can find the recipe for right there. I'm not going to use all this, but I'm going to use about 1/4 cup, and then roughly a cup of water. I don't prefer to use all plant-based milk in it as my liquid. I like to kind of add some water. It's just I make this, and so I like to let it stretch it as much as possible. And then we're also going to need some sort of blender. I'm using my Ninja Auto IQ base with my medium-sized blender bottle. And you can use any blender. You can even use the food processor if you'd like. But all we're going to do is start by loading in our bananas. And now I'm going to just try to break them in threes. And then we can add our cocoa powder. Right. And then I shake my walnut milk up. And we're going to open her up. And just put in about 1/4 cup. That looks about right. And then we're going to use a cup of water to give us the rest of our liquid. Okay. And all we do is close our lid, and then here is where our 10 seconds comes into play. Now watch how quick this thing works. Alright, that was 10 seconds. Now sometimes it might take a little bit longer. Sometimes it might take a little bit less depending on how cool your freezer is. Freezing those bananas, but I like to take this, and we've got our reusable plastic cup, and we're going to put her in there. And then we also have our reusable stainless steel straw, which we love, and we're just going to put that on top. And there is your 10-second, you couldn't see it there, 10-second chocolate smoothie. I'm gonna get things cleaned up here in the kitchen, and I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, I just got out of the kitchen. I have my 10-second chocolate smoothie here with me. I hope you guys noticed how easy it was to make. I normally make Erica my peanut butter chia breakfast smoothie in the morning, which you can find right there, but I felt like having a chocolate smoothie this morning. I've got Bubbles here, and come here, Bubbles. And we also have Bella walking around back there. But we got the Bulldogs in the morning. They're ready for their breakfast too. So I haven't had my celery and peanut butter. I thought I would film this and show you guys and then get my breakfast going. So, hey you, hey you, hey you. But I'm gonna give it a try and let you know what I think. Fantastic. This is great on the go. It's great if you need to get something done quick in the morning, or it's great if you just want a good something chocolate to wake you up and get you going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, and I will see you guys very soon. And I've got Bubbles here.